Okay, so this is where I'm going to be planning what I'm going to be doing in my scripts. So first things first, let's just represent some tiles, and this will be the cross tile. Actually, let's do this. It's one tile. Put it slightly apart. That's the other tile. He has a linkage here. So let's say this is the cross. Excuse me. Okay, so there's my cross. Biggest brush I have. Yes. The cross is going to have link colliders on all corners. This guy, let's just say this guy is the curve, and he is also going to have a link collider here and here. Then they have those central colliders. This is to prevent it from dropping one tile on top of the other. So currently, let's call um, this tile, is dropped, and this is being placed. I want this guy, he is going to be collider, and when these guys are spawned, this will be a trigger so that when it touches that collider, it will make a check to see whether or not it can be dropped. So the trigger, I'm going to trigger a bool. Um, I'll call it clear of blocks, meaning that it's clear to be dropped. Uh, these ones now, they are also triggers, and they will be another bool. Look at link exists, so that when he touches them, that bool will turn on to say, okay, there's a link there. So I'm going to need both of these bools to work together to tell me whether or not I can actually drop a block. So the links must touch, and the inner trigger must be clear of the other block. Once we have that, then we can snap the two tiles together. So everything is going to be set as triggers at the beginning until they actually drop. So when this trigger, okay, so I need to give them some tags. So I'm going to tag this guy as, let's just call him block. And all of these will be tagged as triggers, sorry, as links. So that when this guy is touching a link, it's not really going to have an effect. But the second he touches a block, then we will affect the clear of blocks bool. When these guys touch one of the block tags, they don't care about that. They're not looking for that. They only are looking for the link tags. So I think that should allow us to get that to work. And when I put that into code, I should be able to see it active. All right, so the first thing I need to do is I need to get script. So the scripts I need, oh, so each of those, I'm going to need a script for the blocks, a script for, do I need separate scripts for those? A script for the links. Or could I just do that all as one script? I could just do it all as one script, I believe. I'm just going to do a script for the triggers, a script for the tile, which I've already created. So tile script and trigger scripts. I think that's about it. So the tile script is actually going to control the dragging, dropping, and rotation. Uh-huh. All right, so I think I've got a good plan as to where to start for my script, and I will, the next video is when I will actually get into doing the actual scripting. I know in the last video I said I'll do the scripting in this video, but this video I just want to get my head together as to where I was going with this. And now I've got a good battle plan, I can get started.